Lawyers, what's a case you regretted winning? I'm a work comp attorney, now represent injured people, but used to work on other side insurance defense. There was an applicant with a serious injury, fell off a ladder, busted back with fusion, shoulder screwed. Years of treatment, internal issues, psych issues, really just messed up. 50% plus permanent disability. We were 5 years in and finally getting to settlement time. If we bought out his future medical settlement pretty far into six figures, this guy was the sole provider for wife and 2 kids. Then we found out he had aggressive brain cancer. Expected only a couple of years to live at best. Thus, we wouldn't buy out future medical anymore. Still got permanent disability for $60K-ish, but can't give medical buyout based on 25 plus year life expectancy anymore. I felt terrible for the guy and his family. Me and the adjuster tried to get insurance to agree to some sort of amount like 5-year buyout, but the bean counter said hell no. The attorney knew it wasn't me making the decision. Even though he worked on that guy's file for 5 plus years, he decided to take $0 in fees. I have so much respect for that attorney turning down $10K plus in fees to help his client in a very crappy situation. Yeah, I can't lie, if I were a lawyer on the other side of that, I'd probably be laying awake at night thinking about that guy and his family. And clearly this guy does. I do family law, and I represented a father who had lost most of his custody from illegal substance use and imprisonment as a result. He came to me saying he was clean and doing good and had his life together, and it checked out. He had been clean for almost 9 months, not counting jail time, and seemed sincere in wanting to resume a full relationship with his son. The other side fought viciously to keep him in extremely little custody, and supervised at that, but we prevailed and got an order restoring family frequent unsupervised partial custody. Not long afterwards, only about 3 months after the case, he was back to doing illegal substances, sold most of his furniture, and for me the most soul-crushing is that he set up a fake GoFundMe stuff for his child's cancer. His child didn't have cancer and has never had cancer, so you know where that money was going. I withdrew my appearance at this point, so I don't know what happened afterwards, but I imagine and hope his custody was taken away. Basically, the net result of winning that case was that the poor boy had to witness his father relapse onto illegal substances and was exploited for money. Worst case I ever won. I work in medical malpractice defense. Once I had an obstetrician or gynecologist who burned a patient during a procedure. When I met with the doctor, he lied to me throughout the representation over 16 months, saying he had no idea how it happened. There is a doctrine in law called res ipsa, meaning absent some sort of negligence. This accident could not have occurred. Woman came in without a burn, and after the procedure, the woman left with a burn. There's no way this doctor didn't know what had happened. The